Suppose we are given two sets m and n that have small m and small n elements respectively. We are also given that the total number of subsets of the set m is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the other set n. So what are the values of small m and small n? Or how many elements are there in the two sets m and n? Now we know that the total number of subsets of any set is 2 to the power the number of elements in that set. So the total number of subsets of the set M be 2 to the power small m, and we are given 2 to the power small m is equal to the total number of subsets of the set n, which is 2 to the power n plus 56. So clearly m is larger than n, so we can bring 2 to the power n on the other side and say 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n is 56. Now since m is larger than n, we can take 2 to the power n common and we'll get 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 inside, and this is 56. So if we factorize 56 into its prime factors, the power of 2 that we'll get over here should match the power of 2 over here, because this number will be an odd number since it's a power of 2 minus 1, and this is even, and even minus an odd number will be an odd number. So let's factorize 56 into its prime factors. 56 is 2 times 28, which can be written as 2 times 2 times 14. 28 can be written as 2 times 14. 14 can be written as 2 times 7. So 56 can be written as 2 to the power 3 times 7. And on the left hand side we have 2 to the power n times 2 to the power m minus n minus 1. So this is an odd number and this is a power of 2. Here we have 7 as the odd number and we have 2 to the power 3 as the power of 2. So if we just match both of them on the left hand side and right hand side, we get n is equal to 3, and 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 should be 7. So 2 to the power m minus n is given to be 3, minus 1 would be 7. So 2 to the power m minus 3 would be 8, and 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So we can match the exponents now. M minus 3 is 3, so m is 6. M is 6 and n is 3. So the values of m and n are 6 and 3 respectively.